Okay, so we are at a bank here. Here's a Mitsubishi unit. It's a heat pump. It's running. It's an inverter. And there's this one right here, which is off. There's the data. It's a 9,000 BTU. Yeah, that's a little small. Then here we have a few Carrier Performance Series units. These are some of my favorite units, made today for sure. It's got a Copeland scroll, of course, and a sound blanket. There's the data, brand new from 2019, and then there's this one. So yeah, this one's older from 2018. So yeah, thank you for watching, and it's over now. Here we have a Payne air conditioner, which is presumably from 2011. It's a straight cool. It's got a broad ocean fan motor, Copeland scroll compressor. Yep, a straight cool. Yeah, good unit. Yep, ports on from the 29th week of 2011. Kind of cold right now, so sorry if I'm shaking. It's April and it's in the 30s right now. And then here we have a Bryant Legacy line. From the inside, they had a Carrier Edge Performance thermostat, so I'm surprised there isn't a Carrier Performance unit here. It's Bryant Legacy line, LV scroll. There's the data. Decent unit. So yeah, we're at an office building next door. Here's the York LX series. Not sure what the fan motor is. Yeah, I don't know if that's straight cool or heat pump. Hang on. Straight cool. Yeah. Oh no, a heat pump. Copeland scroll compressor. Nice. Got all R410A refrigerant, 2.5 ton from 2014. It's a 4 ton. 410A. Yeah, nice unit. Anyways, thank you for watching, and over now.